Both Senama 1 Level Hospital and Massa General Hospital recorded 2 new year babies each. Kenneth Chomba reporting for Zanis TV in Mansa District.
Now, about 13 houses in Lumezi sub-center have collapsed following consecutive days of heavy rainfall, leaving several families homeless. Some residents who spoke to Zanis have appealed to government for assistance to help ease their hardships as they cope with the impact of the floods. Take a look.
Several families in Lumezi district of Eastern Province have been left homeless following consecutive days of heavy rainfall that caused the collapse of houses in the area. The most affected structures in Lumezi sub-center were built from clay soil and sun-dried, which could not withstand the prolonged moisture resulting from the persistent rains. Some of the affected residents told Zanis News that they have not only lost their shelter but also food supplies as their houses collapsed, leaving them stranded and uncertain about their next meal.
Organiza usiku wose nzachita bwanje era pamanje time ya vula hii. So umunyumba since kainenze kuna mabagi ya fertilizer yali 4 that mabagi twamili sina unga vose vanakira kumonsi. So muri ichi pemba tandizo mwamene mungatanzireko monga imwe maboma.
Gwa uku first yagwa na 21 hours nishitiligone. Then ku second yagwa na 01. Palibe jamene natenga mabini ya unga wose kuphanyikira mwamene uchezera tilingezi. So one of
the victims said it was by luck that his house did not completely collapse while the family was inside, noting that the situation could have resulted in loss of life.
So mukati kuchipinda uku kwenzeko milisi kwenzeko nkuku penzeko kwa mene uku so vinafyantikira kuti kwa mene uku. Naso akuti kapena tingachite bwanje tingathandizike kuti kapena tingachose vinango tingathandizike kuti tingachose tinachita na mantha kuti vingachite bwanje chingatifyante chipupu.
Meanwhile, the District Disaster Management Committee has commenced assessments in the affected areas to establish the full extent of the damage to guide on appropriate emergency interventions for displaced families. Patrick Soko, Zanis News, Lumezi District, Eastern Province.